How to lock WhatsApp profile picture. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can lock your profile picture on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your WhatsApp application. Make sure that you have an account on WhatsApp and then you have to click on privacy over here. And now you can see multiple options in privacy like last seen and online, profile photo, about, group status, live location, and etc. Here you need to select the profile photo. And now here are four options. You can just select who you wish to see your profile photo. You can either select everyone, my contacts, except, or nobody. So everyone means that you can allow anyone who has your number to view your profile picture, or you can select your contacts, that all of your contacts would be able to see your profile picture, or you can select my contacts except. So my contacts except, what actually it does is that you select the contacts to who you don't want your profile picture to be shown, and the rest, the unselected ones, would be able to see your profile picture. Or you can either select nobody. So nobody is basically that no one, even your contacts, cannot see your profile picture. So that was a trick how you can lock your profile picture on WhatsApp. Now there's also another trick that you can go back and click on this avatar over here. So instead of your profile picture, you can allow your avatar to be shown to people. So for that, click on avatar and then click on create avatar. You can either create avatar using your own face. So WhatsApp would detect your face and suggest an avatar according to that face. You can just click on take photo to take your picture and WhatsApp will suggest an avatar, or you can click on create manually. Select any of the skin type. For example, if I select this one and then click on next, you'll have to select hairstyle and other things like this or any other thing and just carry on. So just click on next and customize all the hair colors, eye color, your makeup, and everything which you want. So these are basically a few tricks by which you can lock your WhatsApp profile photo. There's not actually a real way by which you can toggle off your WhatsApp profile photo, but these are a few tricks by which you can just lock your WhatsApp profile photo. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.